If you are going to Germany soon and you want to know how to ask where things are, this is the video for you. Before we get started talking about that though, let me introduce myself. I am Carlie Sitzman, and I am a linguist who helps people learn the German language and learn to communicate effectively with the language. So if that sounds great to you and you want to receive regular videos about how to improve your German and with interesting tips about German culture, then subscribe below, hit the like button, and join me for my other videos as well. I know you may just want to know certain things from this video, so I will put a table of contents below if you want to jump around to the different phrases. Okay, so let's talk about how to ask where things are in German. There's actually a very simple phrase you can use, and that is wo ist. Wo ist. So let's break that down. First we have wo. We're saying wo because in German the W always sounds like a V, and the O usually sounds like an O. So wo. Wo means where. So if we say wo and ist means is. So wo ist means where is. And after that you can insert whatever you want. Wo ist das Hotel? Wo ist das Restaurant? Whatever you want. Now, if you want to be grammatically correct, take note that ist is only when you're asking about a single location. Because just like in English, when you say where is, you're only going to say one thing after that. If you want to say where multiple things are, you would say where are. So in German, where are would be wo sind. Wo sind. And we're saying sind like this because in German, when there's an S at the beginning of the word followed by a vowel, that S is going to make a Z sound. So wo sind. Wo sind. And after that, you insert whatever you want. Let's talk about some things that you might ask the location of. The first thing that comes to mind is the restroom, the bathroom, the water closet, whatever you call it where you live. You have to be very aware of how you're referring to it in a foreign country. In the United States, people say restroom a lot. If you translate that directly into German using a bilingual dictionary, that will probably give you Ruheraum. Ruheraum. That literally means the resting room. Think about what that means for a minute. Rest. It means you're relaxing, doing nice things, being leisurely. It really has nothing to do with toilets. So if you ask someone in Germany for a Ruheraum, you're probably going to get a really nice quiet room with a spa-like atmosphere and very nice comfortable furniture. But there probably won't be any toilets. Let's look at another one. Bathroom. Bathroom. Think about the meaning of that for a minute. Bath. That means you're getting in the bathtub, you're running water, you're washing yourself. So why do you call the room with toilets a bathroom? In Germany, if you translate bathroom directly into German, that's Badezimmer. And if you ask someone for the Badezimmer, they might understand that you want toilets, but the first thing that's going to come to their head is a room with a bathtub in it, which is probably the last thing you want to do when you're out sightseeing, is take a bath in the middle of the day. So do not ask for the Badezimmer either. You want to ask for die Toilette. Die Toilette. If you say, wo ist die Toilette? You are going to get a room with toilets and a sink, which is probably exactly what you want, right? Okay, so wo ist die Toilette? That's how to ask for a restroom or a bathroom or a water closet. You may also want to ask about the exit. The German word for exit is Ausgang. Der Ausgang. I recommend that you memorize that word. so that if you see a sign that says Ausgang with an arrow, you can just follow that and you don't have to ask anyone anything. Keep in mind, too, that in the United States, you often have these big lit up signs that are red and they say exit on them. You're not going to find that in Germany. You may find a lit up sign that says Ausgang, or you may find a lit up sign in green with this little green man running through a door on it with an arrow. And if you see that, that also means exit, Ausgang. And of course you can also say to someone, wo ist der Ausgang? And they will help you out. You may want to find transportation as well. So let's talk about what the different transportation modes are called. First of all, if you're looking for a stop, you might call it a Haltestelle. Haltestelle. And that would be something like a bus stop. So you could say, wo ist die Bushaltestelle? Where is the bus stop? Wo ist die Bushaltestelle? If you want to take any kinds of transport using a railway, usually stops or stations for that are called Bahnhof. Bahnhof. If you only ask for the Bahnhof, they will send you to the main train station for the long distance trains. So, be sure that's what you want if you just say Bahnhof. If you just want to ask for a certain mode of transport, there's Bus, bus, Bus. There is U-Bahn, subway, underground, U-Bahn. There's S-Bahn, streetcar, S-Bahn. And Zug, train, usually long distance train, Zug. So you could say, wo ist der Zug? Wo ist die S-Bahn? Wo ist die U-Bahn? If you want to ask for the main market square, that would be der Marktplatz. Der Marktplatz. So you could say, wo ist der Marktplatz? Wo ist der Marktplatz? When you ask these questions, people are going to reply, so you have to be ready for that as well. If it were me, I would just have them draw a map on a napkin or something. But if you want to try and understand what they are saying, you can memorize the German words for directions. So if they're going to say straight, they'll probably say geradeaus. Geradeaus. Left is links. Left. Links. Right is rechts. Right. Rechts. In front of is vor. In front of. Vor. Behind. Hinter. Behind. Hinter. And I think that's it. So they are going to say these things in a sentence, right? If you're walking, you might hear gehen or laufen. Those both mean to walk. Oh, they might say gehen Sie geradeaus. Go straight. Laufen Sie geradeaus. Go straight. If you're driving a car, they might say fahren Sie geradeaus. Drive. If you're driving anything, really, if you're on a bike, they would also say fahren Sie geradeaus. They might say biegen Sie links ab. Turn left. Biegen Sie rechts ab. Turn right. They might say links, dann rechts, dann geradeaus. Left, then right, then straight. So keep in mind, dann is then. Done. What else? What else would people say? Oh gosh, let's see. So that about covers it. If there's anything missing that you notice, comment below and I will try and give you the answer. So I hope this helps you to navigate more effectively in Germany. I actually have a free printable with this vocabulary on it. So if you go to the link below, you can download that. It's a PDF that you can store on your phone or print out and carry with you. So I hope you enjoy your trip to Germany and happy learning. Bye!